Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of Suno app. AI music, we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Suno app and you will enter. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.